Hi everybody, I'm Andy MacLeay, Director of Digital Marketing at Cox Automotive. I'm hoping that you guys can join me at Digital Dealer 24 on April 10 through 12 in Orlando, Florida. What we're going to be looking at is digital retailing. Really, how do you begin to implement that process in the store? What are some of the benefits that come with implementing a digital retailing process, as well as being honest about some of the challenges that come with it as well. I think what we really want to look at is how do we begin to unlock that true sort of transactional potential of the websites that we put our blood, sweat, and tears into. How do we offer a consistent experience for our customers? And then how do we begin to train our staffs on how to handle the process of digital retailing? As we all know that this is quickly coming up the road here. So hope to see you guys in Orlando. I think that we always have a lot of fun, and I can't wait to see some old friends and make some new ones. Thanks a lot.